All right, so now I'm going to introduce you to a free software that you can use to edit videos. So personally, I use Adobe Premiere Pro, but that one's a little bit expensive. It's one of the best editing softwares there are, so I love using it. It makes exporting really fast. It makes editing in general just really fast. Another good one that you can use if you have a little bit of money is Flimora. Flimora is another good one that I have used. But this one's going to be completely free just because I want to give you guys a free one. All the video editors basically do the same sort of things. So anything I teach you here, you can also take to Adobe Premiere Pro. You can also take to Flimora or any other video editing software you'd like to use. If you don't like this one, you can get on Google and search free video editing software or top free video editing softwares. And you can find all sorts of other video editors that all do pretty much the same thing. So if you go in here, type in download, hit Film Express, hit accept, and then you can click download right here. They're just asking for you to pay them, but you don't have to pay them. So you scroll down to 0 and then hit download. So then what you want to do is just write a name. So I'll write by 9 to 5. And then go ahead and put in an email and then put no. And then you can say, send me the express download. All right, so now I followed the link in the email that I got and it takes me here. So then you hit download the installer right here and this will download the installer. Hit save file, and now that is currently downloading. All right, so now it says this, and you can go ahead and hit OK, and it's going to start installing the file right here. Go ahead and hit next, I accept the terms, and then you can just do typical, and then hit install. All right, so now that's done downloading, we can go ahead and check start, hit Film Express, and then hit finish here. And now it will start to pop up. All right, so now when you open it, it's gonna say this right here, so you can hit get a free license. All right, so now you can hit activate and unlock, and then you can enter the same email address that you used, and then it'll say, please restart to complete activation. Now I will close out, and then I will reopen it here, and I may have already had an account, so if that's the case, go ahead and click free download and then go through the steps that it has you do for free download and get it that way, because I think that might have been an account that I already had that I just logged into. So if that's the case and it doesn't work for you, go and click that get a free license and then go through whatever steps it tells you to do for getting a free license. All right, so now you can go up here and click new and then do 1080p full HD, and then so we'll just do the default of 1080p. Duration, it's got 5 hours, so it should be plenty. And then okay.